guy took 3 hours and 34 minutes, right? But let's see if he actually is flexed. Oh, he is. Oh, look at that, ruby red, articulate snake, everybody. Nice. I'm actually really surprised that came off as well as it did as well. And this is actually the second time I printed it. But there's some good information when it comes to printing with this filament. This is the Elegoo PETG Pro. And so with this ruby red kind of filament, you, right there, you viewer, want to have your nozzle up high, yes, like it says, but it doesn't tell you on this packaging here that you also need your build plate up to 70 to 80 instead of the normal 60. So that's something if you want to make sure that your print's going to stay on the build. But the other one that I made in the blue color that I have. He's right here. So now, actually, these two right next to each other is really cool. I don't know if they have a see-through-ish kind of blue for like, I don't know, would it be like diamond blue or would it be like lapis blue? I don't know. But anyways, there he is. Well done. And he came out looking pretty snazzy if you ask me. Thank you all so much for watching. See ya.